Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable setting up EV charging notifications with Siri Shortcuts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and unlock it. Locate the Shortcuts app on your home screen. Tap on the Shortcuts app to open it. Once inside, look for the Automation tab at the bottom. Tap on Automation to create a new automation. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner to start a new automation. Choose Create Personal Automation from the options. Scroll down and find CarPlay from the list of triggers. Select CarPlay. Now, choose Is Connected to trigger the automation when your car connects. Tap Next to proceed to the action step. Tap Add Action to select what you want Siri to do. In the search bar, type Send Message and select it. Now in the Send Message action, type your notification message about EV charging. You can customize the recipient as needed, or leave it blank for Siri to read it. Tap Next once you're satisfied with your message. Review the automation you've created to ensure everything is correct. Make sure to disable Ask before running for seamless operation. Now, tap Done to save your automation. Your EV charging notifications are now set up with Siri Shortcuts. Test the setup by connecting your car to see if you receive the notification. Adjust any settings in the Automation tab if needed. You're all set to enjoy your hands-free EV charging notifications with Siri. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.